In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create snippets in HubSpot CRM. Snippets are a simple but powerful way to save time when you're sending the same kind of message over and over again. Instead of rewriting common responses manually, you can store short reusable pieces of text and insert them whenever you need them. This is especially helpful for sales, support, or follow-up communication, where consistency and speed both matter. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, look for the CRM section in the main navigation menu and click on it. This is where you'll find several tools related to managing contacts, conversations, and saved communication assets. After opening the CRM menu, select Snippets. This will take you to the area where your saved snippets are managed. If you've already created snippets before, you may see them listed here. If not, this page will be ready for you to create your first one. Next, click Create Snippet. This opens the setup window where you'll enter the details for your new snippet. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a snippet name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the snippet is for, so it's easy to recognize later. A clear name will help you stay organized, especially if you plan to create several snippets over time. After that, add a shortcut. This shortcut is what you'll type later to quickly pull up the snippet while writing emails or messages. Keep it short, memorable, and related to the content, so it's easy to use in real situations. Then, enter the snippet content itself. This is the actual text that will be inserted when you use the shortcut. Make sure the message is concise, useful, and written in a way that can work in multiple situations if needed. It's a good idea to review the wording before saving so you can avoid mistakes and make sure the tone matches your communication style. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your snippet will now be stored in HubSpot CRM and ready to use whenever you need it. Creating snippets like this can help streamline your workflow, reduce repetitive typing, and keep your messaging more consistent across your team. And that's all it takes to create a snippet in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.